What's up guys, welcome to Internet Moola. In this video I will show you how to show your virtual keyboard on your Mac. So the first thing, open the settings and then search for keyboard, and then on input sources check the show input menu in menu bar, and then is show keyboard viewer. So as you see guys, you can use this keyboard to search, for example, in Safari or whatever. So we're gonna open Safari and then Google to search something, for example Internet Moola. And then click enter, and as you see guys, it's working fine. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.